I'm 30 years old and I have no friends. I'm not saying this to garner any sympathy. I'm saying this for those that are 30 also, a bit older, and think that it's too late. It's not too late. And I don't want this to be a video just about friendship and relationships, but I want you to adopt the mindset that it's not too late as long as you wake up. As long as you wake up today, it's not too late. You understand? All the things you've done wrong in the past, all the things that make you feel like a degenerate that you did, it's not too late to turn the opposite direction. All the addictions you're going through, you went through, currently are battling, it's not too late. I don't care if you went through it for 10 years, 15 years, you just got into it, things in that nature. It's not too late. I don't want you to remain defeated because this is the worst place you can be. When you remain defeated, it's over. You may as well call it quits. But somebody that keeps getting knocked down and gets back up is somebody tough to beat. So I don't want you to do. Ugh, I don't want you to be. Ugh, goodness gracious. I don't want you to be defeated by your age, by what you think you need to be, by the things you've done in the past, by your vices, addictions, and things you're going through. It's not too late. Things will get better as long as you keep getting back up. I know for sure there's a couple of 20-year-olds, 25-year-olds, people younger than 30, thinking that they're so behind and they need to be at this point in their life, they need to be married, they need to have everything figured out at a certain point. It's not too late. It's not too late. Just because it's taking you longer than the next person, it doesn't mean that your time's not coming. And that's the thing I want to get away from. And I want you to get away from as well. Comparing yourself to other people. Comparison always leads to a lot of dissatisfaction, greed. Nothing becomes enough. This is the problem I have with social media, for example. When you open up Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube sometimes, you see a bunch of good looking people. Okay? Not so much on YouTube with this one I'm about to mention. You see a lot of highlights. You see a lot of the best moments. And you try to measure yourself up to those best moments. How can you compete with that? How? How? I'll tell you right now, I would be depressed about my life if I was on social media all day. I would. I would. So I don't blame you. You cannot believe what you see because a lot of these individuals are going through things as well. Or they're trying to pretend like things are all right. But in many cases, not so much. I don't want you to remain defeated. Everybody is going through something. The thing about being a human being is we have one thing in common. None of us are perfect. So you've done something wrong before. You will do something wrong again. And you're currently doing something wrong right now. It's nonsense to beat yourself up to the point of not being proactive, not trying to get out of that emotional downward spiral. I know a lot of you are going through addictions, a lot of vices, and things sort of bring you one step forward, one step back type of thing. It's not too late to turn away from those things. Don't look at the things you've done before and think that it's too late for you to change or you're such a bad person. We've all done things wrong before. We've all done things wrong. And it's okay to feel like you're misunderstood. People don't seem to care about you. People seem to be around you because they want something from you or they need you for something. It's okay to feel that way. It doesn't mean that the real friendship you're looking for won't come. It will come. You may be 30 right now, you may be older, in your 50s. It's not too late. Valuable things don't come every day. It takes time for something valuable to come. And when I say a message like it's not too late, please don't take it out of context. Please don't think that you're going to make the NBA at 80 years old. Certain things is common sense, folks. But I want you to take this one thing. It's not too late. Don't remain defeated. We're all sinners. We've all done things wrong. We will do things wrong. But at least what we should all do is recover as quick as possible. Get back up. Be ready for the next one. If you overcome it today, be ready to face it tomorrow. You don't just overcome something and it's done. The temptations will come later on. That's part of being a human being. Don't beat yourself up too much. Don't. And when I say don't beat yourself up, it doesn't mean that it's not going to happen, but don't let it happen to the point you remain paralyzed. That is when it's really over. You understand what I'm saying? It's not too late. I'm 30 years old. I don't have friends. It doesn't mean that I don't know people. I don't have acquaintances. I don't speak to people. I don't have social skills. But in this phase of my life, those that are around me, the word friendship is too powerful to associate those individuals with for now. But that'll change. That'll change. I don't want you to feel bad in any way. I don't want you to feel bad. And for all the people you look up to on social media and stuff like that, they must be feeling even more lonely. Because when you're in that place, you question those that are around you, their motives, why they're around you in the first place. So I want you to think about all these things. But the one thing I want you to keep in mind is not too late. You've done things wrong. Okay. Forgive yourself. Turn away from it. You are a certain age. Okay. You are that age. Now what? You're going through addictions. You're going through vices and things that may be holding you back. What now? Being somebody that asks, what if? What now? That is your best bet. Be optimistic. The moment you become so defeated, it paralyzes you from fighting back. That's when it's over. It's not too late, folks. I can assure you. So if you're 40, you're 50, it's not too late. It's not. Give yourself a fighting chance by getting back up. I'm not perfect. Nobody is. I cannot feel sympathy for somebody that are clearly going through things and trying to belittle other people. That is, I cannot condone that. But you, however, you're going through it. I don't want you to give up on yourself. I don't want you to go down a path of belittling other people to feel better about yourself. I want you to be proactive in trying to change your situation to feel better about yourself. That is what I want. Proactivity versus reactivity. So that's it for my video. Make sure to share this to somebody that thinks it's too late before it's too late. May God bless all of you. Like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.